Here it is, the all-new phenomenal and evolutionary Chameleon combo. I have two bikes with me, the veteran Chameleon and the new Chameleon Mini. So these two bicycles are the new addition to our Go series. First, let's talk about the shared characteristics between the Chameleon and the Chameleon Mini. They are both equipped with dual hydraulic disc brakes, a full 6061 aluminium streamlined frame with a 10-speed sensor ion derailleur. This makes both the bikes extremely lightweight, weighing only at 11.9 kg and 11 kg respectively. Chameleon is a testament of Mobot's mentality of adapting to constant change. Its iridescent frame provides a different view from each angle. The Chameleon Mini is the little brother of the Chameleon. With a thinner and larger slick tyre, it decreases the rolling resistance, which allows you to ride at high speeds seamlessly. If you're looking for a lightweight yet big wheel foldy with a unique frame design, the Chameleon Series is perfect for you. Do come down to any of our outlets to purchase the Chameleon Series now.